Yeah, smart thing to do is pre-inspection. The not smart thing to do is to buy a car and then have it inspected when you get it. Not much you can do, you're stuck with it. Another important thing about these classic cars is shock towers. These Mustangs were notorious for having holes drilled into each shock tower, most likely in the 70s when they were getting serviced at repair stations to lubricate the upper control arms. Rather than put Zerk fittings in, angled fittings in, the quickest thing to do would be cut a hole, boom, grease it. Another issue is cracked shock towers. Driver's side shock tower is notorious for cracking. This is the shock tower that gets the most torque from the motor. We always call this the forward shock tower or forward motor mount, and then the reverse shock tower, reverse motor mount. So cracks around here are very common on Mustangs. That would be a 100% deal breaker as a purchase, unless you're getting the car for practically nothing. It's a rare car, K, A code GT, S code. Again, shock towers can be replaced, but I put them in the area of the quarter panels. They're expensive to replace. Welding is an option. If there's hairline cracks in these things, welding is an option. You can go from the outside here, you can go from the inside. We've done them where they're unnoticeable.